Today we will be factoring a quadratic expression. This is an example of a quadratic expression, ax squared plus bx plus c. A is the lead coefficient, b is another coefficient, c is a constant. In my example, I always want to confirm that it is in the proper form. So again, here's my x squared, which is my first term. My lead coefficient happens to be 1. My second term is negative 16x. My second coefficient is negative 16. And my last term, the constant, is 63. The next step is to determine the factors of 63 such that when I add them or subtract them, I'm going to make negative 16. There are two factors for 63, 1 times 63 and 9 times 7. I clearly see that I cannot make negative 16 with 1 and 63. So these two are not an option. My only options are 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63, and 9 plus 7 will give me a 16. So my next step is to write my two parentheses. My first term in either parentheses will always be an x, and my second terms in each parenthesis will be my 9 and my 7, my factors. Now I need to determine what is the operation that will go in front of each one of these terms. Well, I need to make negative 16. How can I make negative 16 with 9 and 7? They both need to be negative. So negative 9 and negative 7 gives me negative 16. But now I need to double check if I multiply negative 9 and negative 7, I need to get positive 63, and there's my positive 63. To check if this is correct, I will use the FOIL method. X times x is x squared. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. Negative 9 times x is negative 9x. And negative 9 times negative 7 is positive 63. Simplifying, I get x squared minus 16x plus 63. So you can see this expression is the same as my first expression. So my final answer is x minus 9 times x minus 7. That's how you factor a quadratic expression.